PT Sanipak Indonesia, located on Batam Island, manufactures polyethylene bags. In this video, we'll show you various advanced processes that take place in our factory. PT Sanipak Indonesia has implemented the Sanipack Toyota Production System since 2017. By implementing the Sanipack Toyota Production System, we have effectively reduced our work in progress from several days to 4 productivity hours. This is due to our just-in-time system. The maintenance department has achieved its lowest cost overall at 10% of its previous costs. We have adopted a preventive maintenance strategy in our spare parts management. We constantly strive to improve every day for better products and more efficient manufacturing. To do this, we blend physical improvements, like investing in facilities, and systematic improvements, like the Toyota Production System. The workplace is thriving, with the number of improvements increasing year after year. In 2021, 744 improvements were made. Our improvements. From 2019, the factory has changed remarkably, with the expansion of investment aimed at improving manufacturing efficiency, focusing on the film molding process. In the past, materials were loaded into molding machines by hand. However, with our new automatic feeders, we can automate and stabilize our feed of materials, reducing film waste and improving our product's quality. The workers would remove the film roll from the conventional film winder. In consideration of the worker's safety, the weight of each roll was about 50 kilograms. However, with the introduction of the new winder, the rolls can be removed automatically. Each roll weight can be manufactured up to 500 kilograms, and the number of rolls handled can be reduced. By reducing the number of rolls, the roll changing process is reduced by up to 90%. This promotes efficiency and productivity in the manufacturing process. PT Sanipak Indonesia is promoting digital transformation, introducing a production management system to combine digital technology and big data with the ultimate goal of becoming a smart factory. The engineers are unable to enter the country due to COVID-19 border restrictions. So, we have made use of the latest technology, such as smart glasses remote assistance, to support industrial installation. We have kept the machines operating smoothly and demonstrated resilience in the face of adversity. In 2017, we set up our third factory, which specializes in food storage bags. The factory produces high value-added products, creates new innovation in conjunction with existing knowledge, and builds new ventures. As the factory specializes in food storage bags, we take measures against dust and foreign substances, and hence, everyone wears a dust coat and passes through an air shower before entering the production clean room. In addition, we've installed dust measuring devices, creating an environment close to that of a food production line. Our third factory, specializing in food storage bags, has an unmanned logistics system inside, which combines automatic guided vehicles with karakuri automation. Due to COVID-19, people are once again exploring the idea of automatic guided vehicles. Our third factory also has a research facility in which we are researching and developing No-Cool. This eco-friendly trash bag will help reduce CO2 emissions. And that was PT Sanipak Indonesia and its operations. PT Sanipak Indonesia aims to be the top manufacturer in the world, integrating the latest capital investment together with the Toyota Production System.